Emerson Mnangagwa yesterday arrived at the Heroes Acre in a British-made vehicle to bury two military generals who have died within days of each other. Their deaths seem coincidental to a long trail of sudden departures of top personnel since 2017. Sanabena mashoko atoona kuti aiwa pane maspeculations akanyanya pamusoro aiwa pekushayika kwaita two generals aiwa who were laid to rest yesterday. Panguva ino vanhu pavari kuuya vachiona kuti aiwa the high level arrival yemutungamiri wenyika at the Heroes Acre aiwa yava nemaspeculations. Kuti subscribe like on the bell kuti imira panapa muzimu anodanira chiti. In the pictures above, Mnangagwa, accompanied by his wife, Auxilia Mnangagwa, officiates at the National Heroes Acre double burial. The nation lost Brigadier General retired Victor Rungani and the director retired in the Presidency Department, Comrade Walter Pasopo. The two gallant sons of the soil sacrificed their all in the fight for the liberation of our beloved motherland. After independence, Comrade Victor Rungani was Chimurengani Mzwe, Comrade Nyoka and Comrade Victor Chikulu, and Comrade Walter Pasopo was Chimurengani was Comrade Gary Zasukwa, joined the security sector, the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, and Presidency Department respectively, where they distinguished themselves with honor and distinction. Ndo mashikoni hapana paitaura pamusoro aiwa these two generals vanoratidza kuti aiwa vakatsakatika aiwa in a way yavanhu yavasara vane maquestions. Tinoda kuti vanhu vauya vachiaccusawo vanhu vakaita sana Valerio Sonda vachiti just a few days ago Defense Forces Commander Valerio Sonda was also caught on camera shamelessly driving foreign-made brand new cars. How does Valerio Sonda feel for driving in a horde of 20 flashy cars that's forcefully descending onto a ZANU-PF party card selling trade fair ZITF1 that has no single local product on display, in an economy that seems producing only death certificate to top military generals since 2017. Ndo masvika turikuona panguva ine kuti aiwa vanhu vane maquestions aiwa ari kuonekwa kunzi haasati ava nemhinduro. Vari kuona zviitiko zviri kuitika kumagenerals uko aiwa zviri kutoda immediate action. Tudze pafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Enda comment section medu, subscribe, like, and turn on the bell icon.